Are you overwhelmed by complicated supplement protocols and expensive treatments for gray hair when the solution might be in your kitchen? What if just two specific foods could help reverse premature graying by providing the exact nutrients your melanocytes need to produce pigment? Most people waste money on random supplements without knowing which nutrients actually matter for hair color. The truth is, two foods stand above all others for delivering the critical nutrients that reverse gray hair naturally. Today, I'm revealing these two foods based on scientific research and clinical results. These aren't exotic superfoods you've never heard of. They're common foods you can find at any grocery store. Stick around until the end, because I'll share the critical mistake that makes these foods completely ineffective for gray hair. The first food that helps reverse gray hair naturally is oysters, which provide more copper and zinc per serving than virtually any other food. Research from dermatology and nutrition journals shows that copper is absolutely essential for the tyrosinase enzyme that produces melanin, while zinc supports overall hair follicle health and melanocyte function. The mechanism involves copper being required as a cofactor for tyrosinase, the enzyme that catalyzes the conversion of tyrosine to melanin in melanocytes. Studies reveal that without adequate copper, tyrosinase cannot function and melanin production stops completely, resulting in gray or white hair. Think about trying to start a car without a battery. That's what happens to melanin synthesis without sufficient copper. Clinical research has documented connections between copper status and hair pigmentation. According to studies published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, patients with copper deficiency and premature gray hair who increased dietary copper or supplemented experienced partial restoration of natural hair color over 4 to 6 months. Just 3 ounces of cooked oysters provides approximately 7 milligrams of copper, which is over 700% of your daily requirement. Think about those frustrating moments when you notice more gray appearing despite eating what you think is a healthy diet. Your melanocytes might be starving for copper, unable to produce the tyrosinase enzyme needed for melanin synthesis. Research demonstrates that modern diets often lack adequate copper because people don't consume shellfish, organ meats, nuts, and other traditional copper-rich foods our ancestors ate regularly. Here's what makes oysters particularly powerful for reversing gray hair beyond just copper content. Oysters also provide substantial zinc, with 3 ounces delivering approximately 74 milligrams, which is over 600% of daily requirements. Research shows that zinc supports immune function, protein synthesis, and wound healing, all of which contribute to healthy hair follicle function. The vitamin B12 content in oysters adds another benefit for gray hair reversal. Research reveals that 3 ounces of oysters contains approximately 16 micrograms of B12, which is over 600% of daily needs. Studies show that B12 is essential for DNA synthesis in melanocytes, and deficiency directly causes premature graying. Getting concentrated B12 along with copper from oysters creates a synergistic effect for melanocyte function. The preparation method matters for maximizing nutrient retention and safety. Research shows that oysters should be cooked to reduce risk of bacterial contamination, though this slightly reduces some heat-sensitive nutrients. Studies demonstrate that steaming, grilling, or baking oysters preserves most nutrients while ensuring safety. Eating oysters 2 to 3 times weekly provides consistent copper, B12, and zinc for melanocyte support. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you understand the two foods that reverse gray hair better, type 1 in the comments or 0 if it doesn't. And if you're serious about reversing gray hair naturally, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. The second food that helps reverse gray hair naturally is beef liver, which provides extraordinarily high concentrations of vitamin B12, copper, iron, folate, and vitamin A that all support melanocyte function. Research shows that organ meats were dietary staples for our ancestors who maintained their natural hair color much longer than modern populations. The mechanism involves beef liver providing multiple nutrients essential for melanin production in concentrated amounts not found together in other single foods. Studies reveal that just 1 3-ounce serving of beef liver contains approximately 70 micrograms of vitamin B12, which is nearly 3,000% of daily requirements. This makes the liver the most concentrated whole food source of B12 available. Clinical case studies have documented reversal of gray hair after correcting B12 deficiency through dietary changes, including regular liver consumption. According to research from the International Journal of Trichology, patients with documented B12 deficiency and premature graying who increased B12 intake experienced visible repigmentation in new hair growth within 3 to 6 months. Think about how most people completely avoid organ meats in modern Western diets, missing out on the most nutrient-dense foods available. Research demonstrates that this dietary shift away from organ meats over the past century correlates with increased rates of nutritional deficiencies and premature aging, including graying. Our ancestors who ate organ meats regularly obtained nutrients difficult to get from muscle meats alone. Studies show that beef liver contains approximately 14 milligrams of copper per serving, far exceeding daily requirements. The research demonstrated that this concentrated copper supports tyrosinase enzyme function essential for melanin synthesis. Combined with the massive B12 content, liver provides two of the most critical nutrients for preventing and potentially reversing gray hair. Here's what makes beef liver uniquely powerful for gray hair beyond B12 and copper. Liver provides approximately 5 milligrams of iron per serving, supporting healthy red blood cell production and oxygen delivery to hair follicles. Research reveals that iron deficiency contributes to hair loss and premature graying, particularly in women. Getting concentrated bioavailable iron from the liver helps maintain adequate status. The folate content in beef liver adds another mechanism for supporting melanocyte function. Research shows that one serving provides approximately 290 micrograms of folate, which is over 70% of daily requirements. Studies demonstrate that folate works synergistically with B12 in DNA synthesis and methylation reactions, critical for melanocyte division and melanin production. The preparation and consumption strategy matters for making liver palatable and sustainable. Research shows that many people find the taste of liver off-putting if not prepared properly. Studies demonstrate that soaking liver in milk for an hour before cooking reduces the strong flavor. Cooking liver with onions, garlic, and herbs makes it more enjoyable. The frequency should be 1 to 2 servings weekly rather than daily due to the very high vitamin A content. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people who might not know that these two foods can help reverse gray hair naturally. The third crucial aspect involves understanding why oysters and beef liver work better for reversing gray hair than isolated supplements containing individual nutrients. Research shows that whole foods provide nutrients in natural forms with cofactors that enhance absorption and utilization in ways supplements cannot replicate. The mechanism involves whole foods containing hundreds of compounds that work synergistically, while supplements typically provide isolated nutrients. Studies reveal that the copper in oysters comes packaged with zinc, B12, selenium, and omega-3s that all support the absorption and function of copper in your body. Research demonstrates this synergy produces better outcomes than copper supplements alone. Think about how nature packages nutrients together in foods for optimal biological function. Research shows that beef liver provides B12 along with folate, which work together in the same metabolic pathways. Studies demonstrate that taking these nutrients together from food produces better results than supplementing them separately because they support interconnected reactions in melanocyte metabolism. The bioavailability of nutrients from food is often higher than from supplements because food provides the cofactors needed for absorption. Research reveals that B12 from liver is absorbed efficiently because the liver also contains intrinsic factors like compounds and other B vitamins that support B12 metabolism. The protein content in both oysters and liver provides amino acids including tyrosine, which is the substrate that gets converted to melanin. Research demonstrates that supplements don't provide this complete nutritional package. Studies show that getting concentrated nutrients along with high-quality protein creates optimal conditions for melanin synthesis that isolated supplements cannot match. The cost-effectiveness makes whole foods attractive compared to multiple supplements. Research reveals that while oysters can be expensive, buying canned oysters provides concentrated nutrients at reasonable cost. Studies show that beef liver is one of the most affordable nutrient-dense foods available, typically costing less than premium cuts of muscle meat while providing far superior nutrition. The biggest mistake people make that renders oysters and beef liver ineffective for reversing gray hair is eating them once or twice then giving up because they don't enjoy the taste, or eating them inconsistently without the sustained regular intake needed to restore nutrient levels. Here's the critical truth. Reversing gray hair through diet requires consistent intake of these nutrient-dense foods over months, not just occasional consumption. The mechanism involves understanding that your body's nutrient stores, particularly for B12 and copper, take weeks to months to replenish with dietary changes. Studies show that eating liver once doesn't correct B12 deficiency that developed over years. Research demonstrates that consistent weekly intake over 3 to 6 months is necessary to restore depleted levels and support melanocyte function adequately. Think about the common pattern where people try liver once, dislike the taste, and never eat it again. Research reveals that most people need to try liver prepared several different ways before finding a preparation method they enjoy. Studies show that dismissing these foods after one negative experience prevents you from accessing their powerful nutrient profiles. Another critical mistake is not preparing these foods properly, leading to unpleasant taste and texture. Research demonstrates that liver cooked beyond medium becomes tough and develops stronger flavor. Studies show that liver should be cooked to medium, still slightly pink inside, for optimal texture and milder taste. Overcooking makes the liver chewy and unpalatable. Not combining these foods with adequate vitamin C reduces copper absorption. Research demonstrates that vitamin C consumed with copper-rich foods enhances copper bioavailability. Studies show that eating oysters or liver with vegetables rich in vitamin C like bell peppers, broccoli, or citrus optimizes copper absorption for melanocyte function. Taking high-dose zinc supplements while eating oysters creates copper deficiency despite dietary copper intake. Research reveals that zinc and copper compete for absorption, and excessive zinc blocks copper even when copper intake seems adequate. Studies demonstrate that people taking more than 40 to 50 milligrams of zinc daily should not do so when eating oysters or should reduce zinc supplementation. Expecting rapid, dramatic reversal after just a few weeks leads to premature abandonment. Research shows that nutritional reversal of gray hair requires sustained optimal nutrient levels for 3 to 6 months before visible improvements appear. Studies demonstrate that hair grows only about half an inch per month, so even immediate repigmentation takes months to become noticeable as new hair grows out. The solution is committing to eating oysters 2 to 3 times weekly and beef liver once or twice weekly for minimum 6 months, while addressing lifestyle factors that deplete nutrients. Try multiple preparation methods to find versions you enjoy. Soak liver in milk, cook it properly to medium doneness, and season well. Buy canned oysters for convenience. Consume these foods with vitamin C-rich vegetables. Maintain realistic expectations about gradual improvement over months. You now understand that the 2 foods that help reverse gray hair naturally are oysters, which provide concentrated copper, B12, zinc, and selenium, and beef liver, which provides extraordinarily high levels of B12, copper, iron, folate, and vitamin A. These whole foods deliver multiple nutrients essential for melanocyte function in bioavailable forms with synergistic cofactors. Oysters should be consumed 2 to 3 times weekly, prepared through steaming, grilling, baking, or using canned smoked oysters. 3 ounces of oysters provides over 700% of daily copper requirements, 600% of B12 needs, and substantial zinc and selenium. The combination of nutrients supports tyrosinase enzyme function and overall melanocyte health. Beef liver should be consumed once or twice weekly, prepared by soaking in milk for 1 hour before cooking to medium doneness with onions and herbs, or as pâté or liverwurst. 1 3-ounce serving provides nearly 3,000% of B12 requirements, substantial copper, iron, and folate. This nutrient density makes the liver the most concentrated whole food source of nutrients critical for reversing gray hair. The critical factor for success is avoiding the biggest mistake of inconsistent consumption and improper preparation. Commit to eating oysters 2 to 3 times weekly and liver once or twice weekly for minimum 6 months. Try multiple preparation methods to find versions you enjoy. Soak liver properly, don't overcook it, and season it well. Combine these foods with vitamin C-rich vegetables for better copper absorption. Remember that reversing gray hair with these two foods requires sustained consistent intake over months to restore nutrient levels and support melanocyte function. You won't see existing gray hair change color, but new growth may show improved pigmentation after 3 to 6 months of regular consumption. Results depend on whether your graying is due to nutritional deficiencies that these foods address or purely genetic factors. If this video helped you understand the two foods that help reverse gray hair naturally, please share it with someone who could benefit from this simple dietary approach. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about reversing gray hair through nutrition. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos that could help you restore your natural hair color through the foods you eat. Thanks for watching and trusting me to share these two powerful foods backed by science. I'll see you in the next video.